What's going on, YouTube? In this tutorial, I just wanted to show you how you can insert a pivot table. So to do this, first you have to make the data that you want to make into a pivot table a formal Excel table. To do this, you highlight the data that you want to make into a pivot table, then go to the Insert tab, then go to Table. In this picture, the table does have headers, name, region, and sales amount. Okay. Now it is an official Excel table. Then we highlight this again, go to Insert, and Pivot Table. Now you can also recommend a pivot table where Excel will give you some different ideas as to what your pivot table could look like, which is a quick and easy way to analyze and summarize your data, especially if you're in a time crunch. For this scenario, I'm just going to click pivot table. Select table as a source of range, yes. But always get an external data source, you just want to use this table, and you want this in a new worksheet. So, and here we have a basic pivot table, and where you can add different things, and then move it around like so, to get it to where you want it to look like. That said, I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, and be on the lookout for new pivot table tutorials that will be coming out in the near future and all Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.